All right, let's get real for a second. We all have a phone, right? And it's probably being used for taking selfies and sending memes than anything productive. But what if I tell you that this little device in your hand is basically a mini film studio? Yes, you heard me right. Today, we are talking about how you can turn your phone into a professional filmmaking kit. And no, I am not talking about slapping a filter on and calling it a day. This is mobile filmmaking, but not just any mobile filmmaking. It is mobile filmmaking that will make people ask, wait, did you shoot that on a phone? Buckle up because we are about to dive into the best gears to take your mobile filmmaking to the next level. Firstly, why mobile filmmaking is a game changer. So, if you have ever wondered if mobile filmmaking is a real deal, like can you actually produce something epic with just your phone? Let me spill the beans. The answer is a resounding yes, but there is a tiny catch. Using the right gear, separate wow, that's Oscar worthy from did you shoot this with a potato? Mobile filmmaking is changing the game for indie filmmakers, vloggers, and even Hollywood production. It's budget friendly, accessible, and let's be real, it's a lot lighter than lugging around a massive camera rig. But to make mobile magic happen, you will need a few essential tools. Think of it like cooking correct Nigerian party jollof. You need the right ingredients, right? Stay tuned, guys, as we dive into the top gears and tips to transform your mobile filmmaking experience.
Like and subscribe.
I don't know what your New Year resolutions are, but I know that if you dedicate your time and effort into learning these skills, I mean, 2 hours of your time every day for the next 7 days, I guarantee you will make money in 2025, irrespective of your industry. All you have to do is turn your passion or expertise into profit just by leveraging the power of AI to build and monetize a successful faceless YouTube channel. In my course, Creating and Monetizing a Faceless YouTube Channel, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to create high quality content effortlessly, proven methods to grow your channel for free, and monetize with affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and more. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment. Just get ready to transform your creativity into a revenue stream. Enroll now and start your faceless empire. Special discount for my subscribers. The link is on the description. So, the first mobile filmmaking kit on our list, the smartphone gimbal. Stabilize like a pro. Meet the mobile filmmaking superhero, the smartphone gimbal. Say goodbye to shaky, jittery footage that makes your viewers sick. We've all been there, trying to capture that perfect shot, but most times we end up with blurry, bumpy mess. If you've ever tried shooting handheld footage, you know that shaky, jittery camera movement can turn a masterpiece into a disaster. But fear not, the gimbal saves the day. This bad boy stabilizes your footage, making it smooth as butter. And the best part, you don't have to spend a fortune. Affordable options like the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 will make your footage look like you had a pro crew behind you. Pro tip, when you whip out this bad boy, people will think that you are a cinematic genius. Go ahead, take the credit. I won't tell. Secondly, external microphone. Say goodbye to terrible audio. Audio, the secret sauce that makes or breaks your video. Think about it. Sharp video, but cringe worthy sound. Game over. This is the one thing that everyone's overlooked until it's too late. Don't let bad audio sabotage your masterpiece. Trust me when I say bad audio will ruin even the best looking video. Fortunately, there's a quick fix. External microphone for your phone, whether for vlogging, interviewing, or capturing sound effects. These tiny titans have got you covered. There are a lot of affordable options. You need them, especially if you are constantly moving around. Wireless mics is equal to freedom. No more tangled cords or static. And if you are thinking wireless mics are too expensive, think again. affordability isn't an issue. Like I said, there are a lot of affordable options out there. Invest in great audio, and your viewers will thank you. Trust me, their ears and your sanity will appreciate it. Thirdly, portable lighting solutions, lighting on the go. And moving on to kit number three, the ultimate game changer. Without it, even the best camera gear cannot save your footage from looking like the cave dweller selfie. You could have the best camera in the world, but without proper lighting, your footage will look like it was shot in the cave. And no one wants that. Even if you are filming a cave documentary, you still need some sort of lighting. But don't worry, I've got the secret to eliminating your masterpiece. Portable lighting solutions. On the go, meet your new best friends, Aperture MC and LumiCube. These compact battery-powered wonders make professional looking lighting accessible to everyone. When it comes to lighting on a budget, they are compact, battery-powered, and perfect for creating professional looking lighting setup anywhere. This light comes with cool features like adjustable color temperature, brightness, and portability. Whether you're shooting outdoor, indoor, or in tricky lighting situations, this light have got you covered. Think of it, no more hard shadows, no more unflattering lighting, just stunning cinematic footage on a budget. Invest in portable lighting and your viewers will thank you. No more cave-like footage, I promise. And number four, bonus gears, tripods, lenses, and more. Your new stability superhero, the little extras that makes a big difference. A sturdy yet compact tripod like the Joby Gorilla Pod. This flexible friend will keep your shots rock solid anywhere, anytime. Get creative, wrap it, clip it, or stick it. This tripod has got your back and your camera. Also, don't sleep on external lenses. Something like the moment anamorphic lens can give your footage that cinematic widescreen look, all while still using your phone. Look at that. Suddenly you are shooting the next indie hit, and all it took was a tiny lens and some creativity. These little extras is equal to big impact. Your mobile filmmaking arsenal just leveled up. So let's recap. With just your smartphone, a gimbal, a solid microphone, portable light, and a tripod, you've got yourself a full filmmaking setup that you can take anywhere. And the best part, it all fits in a backpack. Whether you're filming a short film, creating content for YouTube, or just leveling up your Instagram Reels game, this gear is all you need to create professional quality video without breaking the bank. If this video helped you realize that you don't need to go broke to be a filmmaker, smash that like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and gear recommendations. Until next time, keep creating. And remember, your phone is more powerful than you think.